Managing maintenance is now even easier with Console Maintenance Pro. Maintenance Pro offers comprehensive workflows and smart automation to help increase efficiency and free up time, so you can continue to deliver 5-star service to your owners, tenants, and trades. Best of all, it's free to your agency. Maintenance requests can be created and processed seamlessly from within one platform. It's easy. Requests can be lodged by property managers and tenants using their Console Tenant app. What's more, the Tenant app has a built-in step-by-step triage feature to help gather as much information as possible about the job. After the request has been submitted, you will see the job in New Requests. From there, you can engage trades, and once the job has been completed, you'll be able to process the job and pay the invoice. Reduce your risk with clear audit trails keeping you on track, with no jobs missed. Activate Maintenance Pro in the marketplace now to get started, or contact us to learn more.